Let me tell you about the recent wildfires in Los Angeles. These devastating fires wreaked havoc, destroying thousands of homes and causing billions of dollars in damages. While many experts have explained the disaster as a result of dry conditions and strong winds, whispers of conspiracy and deliberate acts have been circulating. One of the most talked about theories ties these fires to legal battles involving Sean Diddy Combs. Some have speculated that the fires were intentionally set to destroy evidence linked to allegations against him, including accusations of trafficking and misconduct. Interestingly, several homes connected to Diddy's inner circle were destroyed in the fires, which only added fuel to these rumors. But here's the thing, officials and experts have made it clear there's no evidence supporting the idea that the fires were intentional. They've also pointed out that in today's digital age, destroying physical locations wouldn't erase evidence, as most records are stored electronically. Instead, it seems that climate change, extreme heat, and poor water management played a much bigger role in creating the perfect conditions for these catastrophic fires. Even so, the wildfires have turned into more than just a natural disaster. They've become a hotbed for cultural, political, and media speculation, with some celebrities and outlets remaining silent and others fanning the flames of conspiracy theories. What's clear is that these fires have left a trail of destruction, not just in the environment, but in the public discourse as well.